Hi guys, today I'm going to share some tips on how to excel at your singing audition. In addition to your skill, one must properly possess the 3 P's: practice, preparation, and presentation. Without any of these, the audition is not complete. It takes all parts working as a whole to make everything as successful as possible. Before your singing audition, this is where we will go over everything you need to know before your audition, including music preparation, vocal exercises, and how to keep any stage fright away. Tip number 1, maintain a healthy singing voice. A vocalist or singer's instrument is their voice. Consider how carefully musicians treat their instrument by keeping them in cases. The same thing applies to your voice. Some examples on how to take care of your voice are proper warm-ups, singing from the diaphragm, occasional resting from using the voice at all, and most importantly, drinking water. Keeping the voice healthy is particularly important because you want to have your singing voice forever. The second tip is choose the right audition song. This is very important. You must make sure that you choose the song that is the best suited for your personal voice. People often choose songs that they think people want to hear or they are trying to impress, so they choose one that is entirely too hard for them. Remember, even how good is your voice, but the song you choose doesn't suit you, it doesn't work. People sing the best when they can feel the song, when it means something to them and they can genuinely enjoying it. The tip number 3, eat, drink, and sleep smart. Water is the key of the life. That being said, aside from water, there are few foods that you should consume prior to your audition. Honey lemon in water, and avoid sugar, dairy, and general overeating because this will cause not only a stomach ache, but also a mucus build up in your throat, and it will hard for you to sing clearly. It is also of utmost importance to get a full night rest the night before an audition. You do not want to feel sluggish, tired, and weighed down at all. Be smart and go to bed early. Here's another pro tip. Eat lightly before an audition and drink 8 glasses of warm water a day for maximum proper vocal maintenance. Tip number 4, overcome any nerves or stress. This is most difficult one. It is extremely normal to feel nervous before, during, and after an audition. This is called stage fright. But there is a simple solution that people already have unknowingly, and that is your breath. To breathe is to be alive. The best technique to calm and raising anxious heart and mind is to do the following breathing exercise. Find that tall posture, roll the shoulders back, lengthen your spinal, and find a position where you can breathe comfortably. Begin to inhale slowly, the count of 6, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then hold up the top by 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then by saying the S sounds when you exhale. Repeat this in a minimum of 3 times. But you can always do as many as you need. By using the breathing practice, it will help you feel more in tune with your mind and feel better. Tip number 5, perform a vocal warm-up routine. The key to learning everything is consistency and repetition. The best thing you can do for your voice, aside from drinking ample amounts of water, is to warm up. The same way in sports, you must stretch before you play, and you must warm up before you singing. Your throat itself has a muscle all around the neck and jaw, and these muscles must be stretched too. By properly warming up, you can avoid straining a muscle and sore throat. Tip number 6, avoid distracting body movements. There is a difference between feeling the music and moving just to move. You want to be careful of your movements and make sure they flow as smoothly and naturally as you breathe. You don't want your body movements to distract you from your actual performance and voice, so try to avoid unnecessary movements. You want them to hear your voice and see your emotions and not become distracted by accidental offbeat movements. Do not stiffen up your body. Just allow yourself to feel free the music and naturally flow with the rhythm. Okay. Another thing you want to know about is, what do judges look for in audition? The key things judges look and listen for are the pitch, the tone, accuracy of timing, and how well you know your instrument, stage presence, and overall performance. It is the little details that make the audition great overall. They want to know you can sing, but also want to know you can make the audience smile and have a good time. Additional tips: practice in front of the mirror and record your video. Then watch it and you can improve more. Hope these tips are helpful. Thank you.